Bodie, come! No. No, come on, now. Now. Come on. Good boy. What's up with Jake? All Bodie did was walk up. He didn't come running up. He just walked up.
Jake has a perimeter issue. I don't know if it's my perimeter or his perimeter. I don't know. I'm still figuring it out.
So what's the zone within 6 feet? Is
It's something that gets him going at some point.
At what age do he start like that?
It's when Melissa took him and he was staying with her.
Yeah.
And she wasn't able to get him out to the parks and stuff.
Oh, okay.
That kind of there was like a desocialization that occurred.
Okay.
And more of a, because they were so close together all the time, I think there was more of a possessiveness that also developed.
Okay.
Because if she were here, it'd actually be a lot worse.
Oh, wow. Okay, so some people, I've been calling Jake a German Shepherd hybrid. And some people have been saying, oh, that's just a working line German Shepherd. Some people have said that. So today we want to clear that up because he actually had a DNA test.
He did.
So what is his background?
So he is German Shepherd, Border Collie, Australian Shepherd, and Australian Cattle Dog, which I think is something like the Blue Heeler.
Wow. Okay. That's a great mix.
And he was sold, when Melissa got him, it was advertised as a Golden Labrador Retriever mix.
Wow.
Which obviously did not happen.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so there was an official test, so that's what it is.
The ears were down and almost appeared that way.
Right.
So they sold him a little early.
But he's definitely a beautiful dog. You know what? I wonder if, when the dogs start to run around or run like in your direction or his direction, him cutting them off like that, I wonder if that's like the Australian Shepherd.
Yeah. That is the cattle.
Yeah, the cattle dog, Australian cattle dog.
Anytime that a dog starts running away from him, he tries to go
right.
corral them or bring them back.
I see.
Wow. But they're also infamous for nipping at the heels.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so there you have it. That's what Jake is.
Are they? Oh. Yeah, it's the dad. The two puppies right here, red and green. And then the mama and the dad. That's right.
Caesar, come here. Be nice, coming on.
Yeah, the puppies, they're a year and 5 months already. So they're pretty big. Come on, Nika.
Remember, yeah, little. I used to bring them.
Oh, what's up? Big guy. love you anyway. They're your companion. Ay, Dios mío, look at that kiss. Holy smokes. Qué amoroso. Ay,
Doggy.
He's a lover boy.
oh, super submissive. Oh, see a Playboy. Front page. Hey, now the guys are going like, wow, what am I going to do with this much woman? Oh, it's so cute.
Husky party.
Nothing but love.
Almost every day. Almost every day. This is the Husky Dog Park.
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not a
So does she act?
do for her?
I wish I had a one particular answer for that, but it's just a bunch of stuff.
Uh-oh, I don't think Jake's gonna like that GSP got the
Jake!
ball.
Come on, let it go. We'll find another ball.
Bodie, come! Come on! Bodie! Come on! Hey! Sit! No! Hey! Sit! No! Sit! No! No! Hey! Sit! Good boy! Ready? You gonna chase it? Huh? You gonna chase it? Ready? Give it! Uh-oh, you let him get it. Ah. Okay, Jake, so you want to chase it, huh? You want to chase it? Give it. All right, Bodie. Oh, what's happening behind my back?
Is that an e-collar? Is that an e-collar? Move it to the right. Is it a little bit tighter? I usually have all three of these on there.
All right. You want me to throw it? Hey, drop it. Sit. Sit. Ready? Uh-oh, Jake's behind you.
He got it down.
Oh, no.
He's a level 3.
Ready?
She's like a 8 and he's a 10.
I don't know, Bodie. Jake's behind you. Jake is not going to let you get this rope. Ready?
Yeah,
Give it.
I need that little extra, yeah.
What, did you know he's behind you the entire time, huh? Is that why you didn't give it? Okay, Jake, can you sit? Jake, sit. Sit. Does he know
Sit.
that?
Sit. Jake, sit.
Hey, drop
Sit.
it.
Good boy.
Ready? Hey, Drop it. Well, he keeps snatching it out of my hand. Hey. Hey. Keeps jumping for it. I can't throw it. Okay. Here we go. Get it, Jake. That one doesn't work. This one maybe. Nope. Sit. Yeah, sit. Ready? Get it.
What am I gonna say?
Okay, so now we have something special for you. A lady, I noticed her here in the dog park, and she has a business removing dog waste. So if you have an issue where maybe, you know, you have an elderly relative, or maybe you have a back issue or a shoulder issue, maybe you can't pick up after your dog by yourself, then you can call this lady. Do you want to tell a little bit about your business?
Hi everybody, my name is Martha and I am with Kung Fu Masters. So we offer a service for anyone who cannot or just doesn't want to pick up their backyard.
Who doesn't enjoy picking up dog food?
Right? Or maybe the kids just won't do it.
Right, right.
So we offer the service to come to your house. We will pick up all the dog poop and we will make sure there's nothing left. And we will also include a sanitation of your yard and deodorization. So
that sounds nice.
It's a kennel spray that kills parvo.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's
so
really
you
good.
can sanitize your yard.
Okay. And what areas do you service?
Well, I'm just launching the business, so
Okay.
I'm trying to service Covina, West Covina.
Okay, Southern California,
Yes.
for those of you watching
Right,
who don't know where that
Walnut
is.
area,
Okay.
Glendora.
Okay.
So pretty much I'll travel,
I see.
probably within 70 miles.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so give us a call. Again, we are Kung Fu Masters.
Okay. And what I see you have a email address, so
Email
or
address.
a website. Can
Yes.
you give that away?
Actually, I've yet to set up my website,
Okay.
but it's all coming.
Email. Okay.
So here's my email and my number. We are an LLC. We're insured.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
Well,
And do
set
you
to
offer any other services or just the waste?
at this point,
Okay.
at launching point, we are just concentrating on doing the poop.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, we may include, we're exploring including kitty litter for those of you who have
Oh
cats.
wow. Okay.
So we may do kitty litter.
Okay.
See how
And
that
once
works
again, the
out.
phone number.
Is 626-268-1333.
Okay. Okay. So you'll clean up the yard, you'll deodorize the yard, sanitize the yard. I believe you said, and I believe you offer different services as far as the different times that you service, as far as how many times a week or how many times a month.
That's up to the
Okay.
customer. They can give me a call for a quote
Okay.
on,
Okay.
based on their needs
Okay.
and
Fantastic.
how many dogs they have and all that.
Okay.
We can work it all out.
Okay.
And we can go and set you up with that.
Okay, yeah, that sounds like a wonderful service. Once again, it's Kung Fu Masters LLC, and they are insured. So yeah, if you have an issue like that, if you have an elderly relative who has an issue where they can't clean up after their animal, perhaps this is the solution for you. So check her out. She seems like a nice lady. Give her a call if you need the
Also,
service.
if you have like elderly, disabled, blind,
Right.
for the blind who have service
Right.
dogs.
Okay.
We'd love
Thank
to
you
work
so
it out.
much for sharing about your service.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank
Oh,
you,
you're
everybody.
welcome. Yeah, it's been a really tough day today. It was nearly 100 degrees today. Right now, it's got to be close to 90, I would guess.
I would say. So.
Yeah, so the dogs aren't doing a ton of running around, but what I do want to do right now is give an update on something that happened. Okay, so I have a video called "Owner Said His Pitbull Didn't Like Huskies Moments Before Attack at Dog Park." That's the title. So right now I'm standing with the owner of one of the Huskies. It's a Husky Malamute, right?
Yes.
That was attacked by the Pitbull. So can you run us through exactly what happened?
Yeah, for sure. We were on our way out, and the Pitbull kind of just ran up to Lux.
Oh my gosh. Lux, can you call Lux over?
Yeah, Lux! Kaido! Togo! So this is the family of Huskies.
Okay.
We got Dad coming in.
Okay.
Togo on the left, another puppy, and Lux.
Lux is the one who was attacked.
Yes, our other puppy. Mama is outside already. Nika is leaving. So this is our pack right here.
Okay.
But yeah, Lux is the one that was attacked, but luckily the Pitbull just bit her right here. You can kind of see the bite
Oh wow,
marks.
you can see the marks.
Yeah, so luckily
Wow.
this saved her, and that other guy helped pull off the Pitbull.
Right.
But yeah, she wasn't really fast. Big dog coming.
And I yelled something to you,
Yeah,
right?
you did,
What did I yell to you?
Get in the cage. We opened the cage so I can take her in there. But yeah, luckily she was okay, and maybe that owner doesn't bring the dog here anymore.
Right.
Huskies.
I don't know if I told you, but he said to me like 10 minutes before the attack.
Yeah.
He said, "My dog doesn't like Huskies."
Not a good part.
And then I watched the video. I had to review the video. And I watched when he grabbed a hold of your dog's harness.
Yeah.
He held it and he started to shake.
Yeah.
I don't know if you realized
Yeah,
that.
I know, I did. Yeah, you grabbed that.
And then right after you left, there was a guy walking his two Huskies
Yes.
outside.
I saw that, yeah.
And then after you had walked away,
Yeah.
the Pitbull immediately turned his attention to those two Huskies
Of course.
and wanted to get to those two Huskies, even though the fence was right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see what exactly unfolded, check out Owner Said His Pitbull Didn't Like Huskies Moments Before Attack at Dog Park.
Yeah.
So we're glad that your dog is okay because she did cry some.
She did, yeah. She was scared.
People were worried,
Yeah.
but fortunately it's only that she was scared because of the attack, but she had no injuries, right?
Absolutely, no injuries,
Okay.
and she's tough, so she's good,
Okay,
yeah.
that's good because that was scary.
It was. He
That
was a
scary.
strong dog. Like, I don't think
Yeah.
I was able to stop him. So had it not been for that other guy, she probably would have been bit. But luckily, she's okay.
And I just want to clear up that was just one pit bull, okay? It's not indicative of all pit bulls
Exactly.
what happened, okay?
Exactly.
Because many come through this dog park and nothing like that happens. It was just that one particular dog.
Exactly. Yes.
All right, thanks for giving us an
Yeah,
update.
no problem. Thank you. Bye, okay. Go.
Mom, let's go now. Bodhi, come on, let's go up. Up. Hey, no, let's go up now. Bodhi, no, up. Good boy. Sit. No. Sit. Leave it. No. Stay. Stay. Okay, so that's going to bring today's video to a close. Bodhi and I, we hope that everybody enjoyed watching. If you can, please give the thumbs up. Also, leave a comment or question below. If you are a subscriber, please subscribe. And also, Bodhi and I, we want to say a very special thank you to everyone who watches the ads that help support Bodhi. We appreciate it so much. So until next time, Bodhi and I, we hope we see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World. Everyone, take care.